Sometimes the greatest opportunities do not come from grand designs, expensive machinery, or large workshops. Often, they come from the smallest ideas that begin as simple pieces of wood held in the palm of your hand. There is a quiet power in small projects. They are quick to create, affordable for customers, and capable of being sold again and again. And for the beginner woodworker or the creator building their craft-based business, small wood projects can become the foundation of a steady and growing income. This video is about discovering that potential. It is about learning how the simplest items can become meaningful, valuable, and profitable when shaped with care. It is about realizing that you do not need to wait for the perfect tools or the perfect workshop to begin. You can start now, right where you are, with the skills and resources you already have. The world is full of people looking for unique, handcrafted items that feel personal and genuine. The world is waiting for your creativity. Small wood projects are powerful because they allow you to create consistently. They allow you to practice, improve, and refine your craft while also building confidence as a maker. They allow you to connect with customers who appreciate the warmth of natural materials and the authenticity of handmade work. And they allow you to earn, not someday in the distant future, but now, through simple daily effort. You are not just making products. You are building a path. A path that leads to artistic growth, personal fulfillment, and financial possibility. And it all begins with small creations that carry heart and intention. Small projects succeed because they are approachable, beautiful, and useful. They become part of people's daily lives. A simple wooden item can become the way someone organizes their desk, decorates their living room, serves food to guests, or expresses personality in their home. And when an object becomes part of someone's daily experience, it becomes cherished. Imagine a small wooden phone stand resting on someone's desk. Every day, they set their phone on it while they work, read, or relax. They touch it, see it, depend on it. They appreciate that it is not plastic or metal, but something natural, warm, and alive. They feel connected to the person who made it. That connection is what makes handcrafted work valuable. Small cutting boards, serving boards, coasters, key holders, candle blocks, plant stands, wall accents, and desk organizers are more than objects. They are quiet companions in everyday life. They remind people of simplicity. They invite calmness, warmth, and grounding into the home. When you create something that gives someone a moment of calm or beauty, you are creating value beyond material cost. The success of small wood projects comes not from complexity, but from presence. When you work with small pieces, you learn to pay attention to detail. You notice the grain of the wood, the texture of the surface, the shine of the finish. You begin to understand how wood responds to your hands, how it changes under sandpaper, how oil or wax brings out the depth of its natural patterns. This understanding becomes the foundation of your craftsmanship. The more you create, the more your hands learn. The more your hands learn, the more your style emerges. And style is what makes your work recognizable. When your work becomes recognizable, your business begins to grow. Small projects also give you the gift of repetition. When you repeat a design many times, your process becomes smoother. You learn what steps to take first, how to cut efficiently, how to sand cleanly, how to finish evenly. Your workflow becomes natural, and your production becomes faster without sacrificing quality. This is how small projects turn into income. The time it takes to create decreases, the quality rises, and the value increases. As your work develops, so does your connection with customers. When someone purchases a handmade wooden item, they are not simply buying a product. They are supporting a human being. They are supporting your effort, your time, your learning, your devotion to the craft. They are supporting a piece of life shaped by hands, heart, and patience. People value that now more than ever. People crave authenticity in a world filled with disposable products. Your work is the answer to that craving. Selling small wood projects is not about pushing or persuading. It is about sharing. Share your process. Share your story. Share the meaning behind the work you do. When you speak from truth and passion, people feel it. When people feel something, they remember you. And when they remember you, they return, not just to buy more, but to support the journey you are building. Every small project you create is a step forward. A step toward mastery. A step toward financial independence. A step toward a life shaped by creativity rather than routine. These steps may feel slow at times, but they are steady, powerful, and real. Progress in woodworking is like growth in nature. It is quiet, patient, and deeply rooted. But over time, it becomes strong. Your hands have power. Your ideas have value. Your creativity is not random, it is a gift. And when you use that gift to create small projects that bring warmth and beauty into the world, you are not just earning money. You are contributing something meaningful to life. Small wood projects create big income not because they are expensive to make or complicated to design, but because they speak to something human. They remind us that beauty is found in simplicity, that meaning can be held in the smallest of things, and that value is not measured in size. You are not just carving wood. You are carving identity. You are shaping your future, not in giant leaps, but in steady strokes. Piece by piece, day by day, creation by creation, you are building something lasting. Your journey does not need to start grand. It begins with the smallest piece of wood and the decision to shape it. As long as you continue to create, continue to refine, continue to share your work with the world, your growth is inevitable. Your craft will evolve. Your customer base will expand. Your confidence will strengthen. Your income will rise. Because the value you create is real, and real value always finds its way to the world that needs it. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.